Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your entire Gmail account in this full 2026 guide. Whether you just want a safety copy, you're switching devices, or just want everything stored offline, Google makes it pretty easy. First, open your Google account by clicking your profile picture in the top right and choosing Manage Your Google Account. Then go to the section called Data and Privacy. Scroll until you see Download your data. This opens Google Takeout. By default, everything is selected, so if you only want Gmail, click Deselect All, then scroll to Mail and turn it back on. You can choose specific labels if you want, scroll down and click Next Step. Choose how you want Google to deliver the backup, usually a download link works fine. Under Frequency, pick Export Once, or choose the option to export every 2 months for 1 year if you want automatic backups. Then click Create Export. Google will prepare your archive, which might take a few minutes or maybe longer if your inbox is big. When it's ready, you'll get an email with a download link. Open it, save the zip file, and you're done. Inside is an Mbox file with all your emails, and that's it. Your Gmail backup is ready to go. Hey everyone,